Winter puts more stress on your HVAC system than any other season. And the good news? A few simple habits can make all the difference. Here's how you can maintain your HVAC in winters for optimal results. Start with the basics. Your furnace or heat pump can't work efficiently if it can't breathe. Start by checking your air filter. In winter, filters should be typically replaced every 1 to 3 months, depending on pets, dust, and usage. If you don't replace your filters frequently, it'll restrict airflow, raise energy bills, and strain your system. Next, look at your thermostat. Lowering the temperature by even 1 to 2 degrees when you're asleep or away can noticeably reduce heating costs. If you have a programmable or smart thermostat, make sure schedules are actually set for winter. Seal the heat you're paying for. Unsealed spots in your home are like a gas tank with a hole. You fill it up, but energy leaks out, and your system works harder, costing you more. If your homes aren't sealed properly, then your HVAC system is working overtime. Check for air leaks around windows, doors, and attic access points. Sealing gaps with weather stripping or caulking is low cost and highly effective. Ductwork matters too. Leaky ducts can lose 20 to 30% of heated air before it ever reaches your rooms. Even basic sealing in accessible areas can improve comfort fast. Airflow, humidity, and outdoor unit. Now, walk through your home and make sure vents aren't blocked by furniture, rugs, or curtains. Poor airflow creates hot and cold spots that make rooms feel uncomfortable, even when the system is working. Winter air is dry, which is why low humidity levels can make your home feel colder than it is. Maintaining indoor humidity between 30 and 40% can improve comfort and reduce static and dryness. If you have a heat pump, check the outdoor unit. Clear away snow, ice, and debris, and keep at least 2 feet of clearance around it. Winter HVAC maintenance isn't about perfection, it's about prevention. A few small checks can protect your comfort, lower energy costs, and help you avoid emergency repairs when you need heat the most. Do you actively maintain your HVAC systems in winter? Comment below.